This is a quick start tutorial on engraving a tag with the iMARC touch. To begin, touch anywhere on the screen. Press the up or down arrow to select the tag style you want to engrave. Next, touch the green arrow on the bottom right of the screen. Select the font style you want to use. Using the keyboard on the touch screen, enter the text you want engraved. When done, touch the green arrow again to continue. Confirm the text is correct, then insert the tag you selected into the holder. Touch the green arrow to start engraving. The text you entered is now being engraved onto the tag. Congratulations, you have engraved your first tag.